You're tired of watching others make money online while you scroll through YouTube looking for hope. Let me show you something real. I made my first $100 selling a Notion template I built using ChatGPT. No experience, no design skills, no ads. And if you have a laptop and internet, you can do it too. Most people think you need to code, design, or be some productivity guru to sell Notion templates. But that's wrong. What people really pay for is organization. If you can help someone save time, manage money, or plan their life, they'll happily pay you for it. Go to ChatGPT and type, "Give me 5 Notion template ideas people would pay for." It will give you things like freelancer project tracker, finance planner, daily habit tracker. Pick one that you understand. Then type, "Create the full structure for a Notion finance tracker with categories, metrics, and formulas." ChatGPT will literally write the structure for you. Copy that structure into Notion. You don't need to design, just organize, add icons, colors, and make it clean. You can even go to websites like notion.vip/icons for free icons and unsplash.com for visuals. Now that your template is done, let's make money. Go to gumroad.com. It's free. Upload your template, add your screenshots, and write a short description. ChatGPT can help you again. Write a short, emotional product description for my Notion budget tracker. You'll have a ready-to-sell product, no website needed. Here's how I got my first sale, without paying for ads. One, I posted a 15-second video on TikTok showing how the template works. 2, I added the Gumroad link in my bio. 3, I shared screenshots in Notion Facebook groups. One sale turned into 10 because people shared it. You don't need to escape your 9 to 5 overnight. You just need your first win. Build one template, post it, and when you make that first $5 online, you'll never look at money the same way again. Subscribe, because in the next video, I'll show you how to make ChatGPT build 5 templates for you in one click.